Welcome to Minexa.ai, the fastest way to scrape government statistical data from any site, like gob.ar. No setup or maintenance needed, just instant structured data extraction. Just go to the page where the data you want is already on screen. From here, click the Minexa icon, and the extension opens instantly. With the panel open, click the violet button. Minexa handles the analysis on its own. The scan is complete, structure detected, ready to move forward. At this point, decide between the list only or pulling data from each results detail page. Go with Continue. Advanced lets you define any clicks, scrolls, or inputs needed before results appear. Minexa highlighted your data automatically. Click Create Scraper, and it studies the page once and reuses it. Minexa found every piece of data on the page without any input from you, including titles, dates, and descriptions of official statistics. For the technical side, click API Request and copy Python code that returns consistent structured JSON every run. Finalize and save by hitting Complete Configuration. Minexa detected the pagination button automatically. Change it if needed, or leave it as is. One more click, and the job is saved. Optionally schedule it, or connect Google Sheets first. Hit Run, and the job starts collecting data. Hidden data came through too, including image links and details not visible immediately. The output keeps all data connections intact, showing titles, publication dates, categories, and descriptions for government statistical datasets. Download your results and open them in any spreadsheet tool straight away. Set it up in minutes and it works forever. Anyone can get a spreadsheet, and developers get deterministic JSON extraction at a fraction of the cost of LLM-based tools.